Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to remove a number from voicemail in Android. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone iPad. So I'm going to simply click on my phone iPad right here. That's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon from the top side. Click on that. And it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to SIM card settings. So click on that. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on carrier features. Then take you right here. From this section right here, select the SIM card you want to use. I'm going to choose my first SIM card. There you take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on voicemail right here. They take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on setup. There you have the voicemail number. All the number you have in your voicemail is going to be displayed right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on voicemail number, and this is going to pump up. You can simply cancel the number and hit on OK. And voicemail number change. Click on OK. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply remove a number from voicemail in Android. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.